I am going to make 3 sounds. Tell me how good they are. 1. Crunchy leaf. Now, duck. And now, grass. Like and subscribe.